Okay, good afternoon class.
Good afternoon, sir.
So today we're looking at Introduction to Algebra. Yesterday we did this. Move along here. We did substitution yesterday, okay? So I will do that if the time permits again at the end of the lesson, because when I did it with you, it was load shedding at the time. Okay. So I don't want to send you home without homework. Okay. So just to remind you of something quickly. Okay. If we got 2 into 3 plus 4. 2 into 3 plus 4. Write it down. Okay. 2 into 3 plus 4. You work it out for me. Yes?
Is there addition 3 plus 4?
Yes? Yes?
Answer.
Yes, what's the answer?
22.
2 times 7, which is
14.
14. Okay. Now, if you're looking at 2 into 3 plus 4, and you say, okay, let's try something different. Okay, this is what you call commutative law that you did there. You add it first and then you multiply. But we could also multiply first. Let's see what we're going to get here. So it's going to be 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. What's 6 plus 8? 14. And this is your distributive property. You're multiplying before you adding. Okay. All understand? So there are 2 ways of doing it. Okay, so you take down the second method as well. Alright. So we're looking at the examples on page examples on page 20. And this is for exercise 7 on page 20. Okay. So further multiplication brackets. Okay, so we said that 5 into 2 plus 4, you're going to add the 2 and the 4 first, and you're going to get 6. 5 times 6 is 30. Okay, similar to the one we just did now. Similarly, we could have said 2 times 5 is 10, and 2 times 4 is 20, and 20 plus 30, 10 is 30. Which means to say, I can apply any method of the 2, not so ever I want to. Okay. Now, but if you look at this sum now, 5a plus b, 5 into a plus b. Could I do this method here? Can I add first? Can I add a and b? Why not? Unlike terms. So I must apply the distributive property. Can you see that people? The distributive property. Here it says a and b are not like terms, which we say is unlike and may not be added. But the brackets may be removed as in the asterisk, which is that. Namely, a times 5 or 5 times a is 5a. What's 5 times b? Okay, you guys understand? Is there any confusion? Okay. This is the examples, and this is on page 120. Okay. Right, so we got number 1. Write this down quickly. We got 2 into A plus B plus C. 2 into A plus B plus C. So can we add the like terms inside this bracket? Can we add the terms inside this bracket? No. Why? Unlike terms. So in other words, you must multiply the 2 and the A, the 2 and the B, and the 2 and the C. What's 2 times A? 2A plus. 2 times B? Plus? Can I add them? They all have 2's. Can I add them? No. Why not? Still unlike. You all understand? Try number 2 quickly. Quickly, no? Right, so what do we get? You multiply the 3 and the x and the 3 with the 1. You see me doing this arrows? You do as I do. Okay? You make arrows. So 3 times x is 3x plus 3 times y is 3y. These arrows mean you are multiplying it out. Okay, you guys understand? Now the next one. Am I moving too fast? Finish? Right. We multiply out, we get rid of the brackets. 9 times 2x? 18x. 9 times 3y? You all agree with that? Here's the next one. Number 4. Okay. So what do we do here? Can we add it inside the brackets? Or subtract? No. Again distributively. 3 times 4x? 12x. 3 times negative 2y? 6. Positive or negative? Negative. 6y. You all agree with that? Here's number 5. That's finished? Yes? So 10 times 3x is 30x. 10 times negative y? Negative 10y. Who doesn't understand? You will understand. Next one. We got 6 for number 6. We got x into y plus 3. Can I add the like terms? Can I add the terms inside the bracket? No, they're not like terms. You multiply that in. What is x times y? xy. What is x times 3? You all understand? Alright. Sold out.
Really? Oh my gosh.
Number 7. No like terms inside the bracket, not so. So what's going to be done here? Multiply, get rid of the brackets. Okay. What is 3a times 2b? 2 times 3? 6ab. You all agree with that? What is 3a times 3c? 9ac. 3a times 1? You all understand? Is there any confusion, people? Okay? That basically brings us to the end of this exercise, which means to say you can do exercise 7 on page 2. Okay, let's stop the video at this point.